Hi guys, I'm the WW2 German, and today I got a video for you which is going to be on how to basically weather or make your reproduction World War II German belt buckles look slightly more authentic. So I've done it with this one in the middle here. Slightly, I just want to redo this one. And so basically what you're going to need is some black kiwi polish. I'm just using parade gloss here, and an on brush, which is that one, and an off brush, which is that one there. And then you're obviously going to need the belt buckles as well. I've got all the ones that I need to do. So I've got two RAF and SS officers belt buckles, my SS enlisted man's belt buckle, my Wehrmachtier normal belt buckle, my Luftwaffe belt buckle, my police one, and my Volksstimme one. So just basically, it's really simple, really easy. All you do is you get your on brush, get a little bit, doesn't have to be a lot, and you just, I'm going to do it with the Luftwaffe one to start off with. So what you do, get this, and you just basically just put it on the outside. So you probably might be a bit low quality, but trying to do this all one-handed. Yeah, just make sure that you get a fair bit of the polish onto the belt buckle, and you can already see how much better that looks from when it originally started off. If the cam focuses, which probably doesn't want to. Yeah, you can see that that looks a lot better. Well, in my opinion, anyway. So yeah, just put a whole lot more on. Just, in fact, you could try and put quite a lot on. Don't cake it in it, because that'd just be weird. Make sure you get sides as well, because you don't want to have really shiny sides and then like a semi-dull top. Yeah, camera's not working. So yeah, once you've done that, it should look like this. So it should look like this, something like that. If you really want to, you can do the back. That's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. You can do the back if you want. Don't have to. I'm not going to, because no one's going to see it, and also, if you're in combat, the bit that's going to get most worn is the front, because that's going to be the bit that's bumping into things, etc. And so yeah, and then you basically leave it like that for a couple of minutes. Then after that, basically just take your off brush, put those aside, off brush, just do that, take it all off. And then it should look like this. And then it should look like this once you've finished. This might not come out very well. I will redo this video later on, so it's kind of a bit pointless me uploading this, but anyway, whatever. It'll look a lot better. It probably doesn't look much different on the camera, but in real life it does look way better than it did. So that's just an example with the Luftwaffe one, and then you basically just do it to any of them. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Comment, subscribe. Bye.